Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor. I'm a Sony Global Imaging Ambassador. Nobody likes charging batteries more often than they have to, so let's talk about the power save custom setting on the Sony Alpha cameras. Now you're going to find that on that little tool case icon there. It's on the second page on my camera. Power save start time. If you press the center button on the control wheel, you go in and you can look at the options, anything from like 30 minutes to 10 seconds. Now this is the time that it'll take before the camera will go to sleep and therefore save batteries. Okay, so there are a couple of things, however, that prevents the camera from taking that power nap, and one of them is your remote control. Now if you've been using a remote control and you've switched that setting to on, you need to switch it off, otherwise the camera won't go to sleep. Likewise, if you've been using your smartphone to control maybe bulb mode or your focus on the camera, again you need to go into those settings and make sure that you haven't got that permanently switched on, because again that is going to prevent the camera from taking that power nap. Now the other thing that's going to prevent the camera from going to sleep is if you're still in the menus. So just remember to come out of the menus, and then if you've set the camera to 10 seconds, you'll see that the camera does in fact go to sleep and therefore save your batteries. Okay, so if you found that information useful, just subscribe to the channel. Head over to my website, www.markgaylor.com. I've got a wealth of resources for the Alpha community there, and it's all free. Okay, so if you download some of the resources and you find them incredibly useful, they change your life, just come back and make a small donation. It'll help towards my hosting fees and also the creation of new content to support the Alpha community. I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Global Imaging Ambassador.